Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, we're going to make some really easy spicy chicken. It's not tandoori chicken, it's kind of cheating tandoori chicken. It's a really simple method. If you want to see a full method, please check out the channel because we've got it on there where we do the marination with lots of different spices and yogurt. We have very few spices here, and you can do this at home on your gas cooker, and it's just delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get straight in on this one. Really simple. So chicken legs here, the bone is in, the skin is off, and as you can see, I've scored that with a knife, you know, just down there, opened them all up a little bit like that. So simple. We're going to get a little touch of oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil here. We're then going to go in with some chilli powder and turmeric. Nice spice and a nice colour from both of those. And then here I've got like 2 to 3 teaspoons each of finely chopped ginger and finely chopped garlic. So all that goes in as well. We're then just going to add some salt. Really simply. We just need to give this a mix around. And we're going to fry this chicken off first. Okay, so you're going to need a pan or a skillet or something like that. I actually don't have a skillet with me today where we are, but I'm just going to use this pot. So the heat's on there. We've got our lovely chicken here. It's got a lovely coating on it. And we're going to drop that in. Now there's enough oil on here. You don't need to add any more. And that goes. I've got a little balance of this masala here. Don't throw that away. We're going to add that in a little bit. What we want to do on a medium heat here is cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Okay, as you can see, our chicken is cooking really nicely. Now what we want to do is we want to get this to a really low heat. As low as you can, a real simmer. You could put maybe a squeeze of lemon or lime in here if you wanted. Now what we're going to do is put the lid on, and again about another 3 to 4 minutes on each side on that lovely heat with the lid on. Give it a little bit of steam, keep it nice and moist. Okay, so I've just taken the lid off, as you can see. I'm just going to go off with the heat. Now we've got some lovely succulent beautiful chicken there, but we're not finished. What we're going to do, set that aside, then we're going to cook that over a naked flame. Okay, so remember that little bit of balance spices we had? What we're going to do is we're just going to toss any juices and our chicken in there. Just roughly coat that with whatever's left. And then, like I say, we're going to go straight to the naked flame. Okay, so we've got our gas flame on, and I don't have any tongs with me today, so I'm just using a little bit of cloth because this is still quite hot. But what we're going to do is turn this over. We need to kind of blacken it just a little bit, or however much you want. And it's going to be absolutely delicious. I'll be back when these are done. Okay, there you go. I just done it for like, 2 to 3 minutes like that, and get a nice blackening on it. I mean, you could do it much longer if you wanted. Hope you enjoyed that. That's going to be really super tasty. We're going to love that one. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.